Welcome to the creative channel Gilda Workshop. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a flower made from wire, crystals and seed beads. I previously made similar floral brooch with the same technique. If you haven't seen it yet, please check the link below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to not miss new videos. Let's start! Enjoy watching! I want to ask you to visit my online store. You can order hair wands, hair combs and other accessories from all my video tutorials. You will see the link on the screen and in the description. We will send your order to any country via express or regular mail service. If you will order accessories in my online store, you will support my channel and help me to make new videos. Don't miss our regular discounts and purchase handmade jewelry today. I would like to know your opinion about this jewelry. Please write to me what kind of tutorial you would like to see on my channel, and I will try to make it for you in next time. Support my channel with your subscription and put your thumbs up. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!